Oh, fantastic. Club program was very nice.
Now everyone will be proud of us. What applause we got.
Good, good. People who came from Coimbatore didn't beat us. We were very lucky.
Why do you say so?
What, man? You're talking somewhat different? Nothing. I spoke properly itself. What? Is it Africa? Can't we talk to girls jokingly? That you should talk to girls only? What are you talking,
Hey,
man?
stop, guys. This is enough. Please stop. Hey, how was the festival collection this year? What is the balance amount after spending?
3,750.
And where is the balance amount?
With that, I bought a CD player. Did you see? Did you see what he did?
Hey, relax, brother. He is also a younger brother.
Hmm.
Hey, where is Sudhi gone?
He has gone to town to bring medicines.
Hey, my dupatta! My dupatta! Hey, wait! Hello? Hey, my dupatta! Hey, wait! Give me my dupatta and go.
Did you get only my auto to fall down?
Sorry,
Take
brother.
the vehicle.
Sorry. My dupatta was on your cycle. It got stuck. That's why I was coming behind you to take it. Sorry. Dupatta. Dupatta. Okay, I'll see you later.
Yeah.
Rameshan,
Huh?
I think you have money in your
Yes,
pocket.
yes, I have it in my
Oh,
pocket.
oh.
Here, tea. Ah.
Uh. Uh. Hey, Rameshan,
Huh?
just come here.
What
Come
are
and
you
see
laughing
this.
at?
Come here.
What are you looking
See
at
that?
laughing? What? What
just
is
see
it?
the scene.
What is this? What happened to this fellow?
There is a saying, God is there to watch everything.
Ah.
Now I'm very happy to see that scene. He is Vaidya's son. See that boy how he's going?
If it is winter season, it has to be very cold. This time, if you open the windows and sleep, you will get fever. Listen to me first. Night time, if you get fever, it will be a big problem. For this, old doctors used to say something like this. They will say some ghost has caught you. Some medicine has come to this house. What happened to this guy? Hey, ghost has caught even this guy.
Hey, brother.
That's why he's doing like this.
Hey,
Properly
what
cross and go,
happened to
man.
him?
That's what I told.
Huh?
Oh. Brother, see the way he's standing? Someone who is having stomach pain and jaundice like that?
Every person will have this feeling. Hey, Sudhi, what's your name?
Hey, I don't know.
Do you know the vehicle number?
Till KL 36 I know.
I don't know, man.
Are you very serious about her?
I can't believe it, man. She just came and I saw her. Oh, wow, she was great.
She laughed looking at you, right?
Oh, yeah, that's for sure.
Then I don't think it will work out. Otherwise, you may have to work hard for this.
I am ready to work hard.
If she doesn't leave you, then it's okay.
Hey, just shut up.
Oh, brother, he will definitely struggle. Even we have to struggle with him.
I want to see her. I just want to keep seeing her.
Will you recognize her if you see her again?
From now, I'll identify only her.
Then that means you don't know us at all.
My dear Suni, we will get her for you. Somehow we will get her for you. You will have to hold her in this hand.
Huh?
Am I right?
Yes, brother.
You won't get chudidar this side. It's there. I think they have good collection over there. Please sit. Can you take those saris? You always go for Banaras saris. Please take semi-silk saris, mom.
That is the specialty of your mom. Whatever she wants, she takes perfectly. I don't know why you brought me here.
If you don't find mistakes in me, you don't get sleep, right? If you are so busy, why did you even come with us? That saree? Whatever we wear, we look beautiful only to others' eyes. Okay?
Yes, I agree. That's right.
Hello, get me that saree.
Then these are all not okay?
I'm seeing.
Oh, this is a very big store. Lot of money would have been invested.
Come quickly here.
Oh, it's such a big shop.
If we have to go to shopping mall, we have to go to city, man. City.
You haven't seen the city
I
yet.
won't go to any city leaving my hometown. You came here to correct that lady.
Oh,
Hey,
oh.
you started in the morning. Now you have to stop this.
What do you want, servant?
Actually, we need about 10 to 15-year-old girl. Where should we go and search her now? Let us have few pegs and then go on. You come soon. You guys fall in love and give us trouble.
We'll just search over there as well, no?
Hey, what happened?
Hey, what have you done now? Are you blind? Can't you see anything?
It's okay. Without knowing he did it. Leave it.
Sir, you don't bother. We have seen a lot of people like this. These people come and try to steal.
Listen to me, it's another place.
I am not bothered whoever he is. If anything wrong happens, then I'll be the first person to ask, okay? Hey, why are you staring? Get lost!
Hey.
I said get lost. You'll get it from me. I should not see you again in this place, okay? Guys, take these things and keep in the car.
No problem, we will take.
Come on, take it. That's okay, sir. Please, we'll help. Come on, come on.
Leave it. I'll collect
That's
them.
okay, sister. These guys are there to help. Take everything and keep inside the car, okay? Come on, quick. They are all my assistants. All are very good boys. May I know your name, sir?
Vasudevan.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Sir, are you from army?
No, business.
Oh, actually, that is always safe.
Okay, we'll push
sure,
off now.
What is...
Bye.
Bye.
What?
Bye.
Big brother, that's her. My girl.
Hey, that is a businessman's daughter.
That's the same girl we are searching for.
Hey,
yeah.
Then come and take the cycle.
Okay, let's go. So you have not decided to go from here? You want to face our guys? Come, let's run!
Go!
It's a simple treatment for treating these small ailments with small herbs. Simple treatment is what they say.
Oh.
With the 3 important ingredients is what this is done. For all the small ailments, this is required. Where will you understand?
Oh God, why is he boring me like this? I didn't say anything.
Eyes, nose and lips. If it's hurt, you can use this. We are removing the skin and flesh, preserving it, and this treatment can be used later on. According to the shape, it can be redone. This is what this physician has been told earlier.
Walkforden.
In the 19th century, after knowing about this only, in the foreign country they started the plastic surgery for the first time.
Doctor, Who is this Wakfudan?
Huh? Your father.
That guy, is it? Huh?
His eyes are giving a trouble. Oh God. Hey man, go and get the green leaves and salt. Go and get it. Who's there? Open that front door and keep, please. 4 members are brought by the 8 members. Please wait.
Yeah, take them inside fast.
Hey sister, this is Benny brother.
Get lost.
What happened to him?
Relax.
Oh my god.
Look there, Anwar. Oh, today it's houseful.
Oh my god. What is this?
Oh,
Nandu.
Come. Today doctor will give me salary.
Oh my god. What happened? What happened to him? You have got so many injuries. What happened to you? What is this? Ramesh, what happened? At least you tell me, please.
This always happens. Don't worry about it. This is regular. Keep bring him here.
They've got some
Oh my
nice
god.
beatings.
Oh my god.
Hey dear,
Hmm?
where are the old ornaments?
All that is there now.
I am thinking of giving them away and bringing the new ornaments.
I don't want that. My mom has already given all that. Diamond necklace, pearl necklace, gold necklace. We shall give all that to Aarti and Adi.
Okay.
Whatever you say is also right. In the future, we can say these are all the old hereditary ornaments, isn't it?
Sir,
Yes, come.
they have a complaint that workload is on a higher side, sir.
Okay, what can we do about it?
You should hire more employees. That's it.
Yes, sir. If you can include about 6 more people, it'll be enough, sir.
Okay, then proceed. What is the procedure? You proceed. Minimum 2 years of experience is required.
Sir, we heard that there was some problem in the shopping mall. What was it?
That is a small comedy. On her, someone had come and dashed against her. From somewhere, 4 people came and had a fight.
When I see that old fellow, he looks like fraud only.
Oh no, Mom. All 4 of them are very nice people. How do you know that? I know one amongst them. That check shirt one.
Okay, who's that boy?
He is my dupatta.
Is it the green treatment given fellow?
Sudhindran.
How do you know that fellow's name?
I know everything, Mommy.
Hey, what is that? You're standing here like a jobless?
What?
Hmm.
How are you doing, my sister?
Lot is there. First tell me what is your matter. That is okay. Which girl did you see? And you have got beaten up so
Hey.
much?
That's nothing. Just that big brother was doing something.
Tell me why did you all 4 go to town first of all?
We went to the town. Who told you this? We didn't go there.
Enough. Don't overact so much. I'll see other 3 fellows in the morning, okay? Now, good night.
Yeah, good night.
When you started roaming with those stupid fellows, I knew that somebody will break your leg and send you home one day. That happened today, no? Very good. I have told you 100 times not to join them. Do you listen to me?
Please cool down, my dear.
I will stop. I'll not talk. Now I have understood everything properly. That you only spoiled those 3 fellows also. Have understood everything now.
What? I'm the reason.
Hey,
Don't
just
disturb
shut
me.
up and sleep. Oh my god. After marrying this fellow, I'm dying every day here.
My dear, please
You
relax
shut up. You
yourself.
don't talk. I called my brother and told him somehow within 1 month to get your visa ready. And he said yes. Now you do one thing. You start from here and get ready.
Your father will have to go instead of me.
What is that?
Yeah, I'm very sure.
Hey, if you talk about my dad, I don't
What?
know what I'm going to do to you. Hey, leave.
Let's enjoy for
Hey,
some
leave.
time.
Kid is sleeping. You don't understand anything. You. See what I'm going to do to you. Look at your face. You drunken fellow. Always drinking.
Brother, shall I tell you an idea?
No, I don't want any idea of yours.
Nobody gives me a chance to tell something. I'm a small boy. When I fight, I won't know anything. They beat us nicely, right? They beat us nicely.
That's a difference between people who live at city and the people who live here. They don't have good heart at all. You haven't experienced this, right?
Brother, don't get tensed. I'm telling you, okay?
My dear child, it just happened. I'm sorry for that.
You leave that. Look at the other work.
Since we got beatings nicely, we will not back out from our decision.
Brother, you give us a solution for that.
You were telling about some idea sometime before?
I didn't tell anything.
No, you have to tell it now, my dear. I know that you are a very intelligent boy.
That too, when looking at that sister, she looks like a college going girl. Shall we start inquiring on that? Hey, that looks nice, so that people can't say that we have not gone to college.
How is it possible?
If somebody asks, we can also say that we have gone to college, right?
Yeah, that's a very good idea. I will get a very good name inside my family also.
Big brother,
Ah.
look there. That's her. Can you see her?
Yeah.
Let's go. I'm sure that's her.
Okay,
let's go.
come quick. I can't run anymore. Come, let's wait. Look here. She'll be coming this way now. You'll have to stop the vehicle and tell her. Other things we'll take care of.
What are you saying? Hey, Sudhi, if she really likes you, when she sees you, she will stop the vehicle. Because of shyness, her face will glow. Then she will ask, why are you standing here? Then you have to say, I've come here to pick the medicines.
Just
Hey,
go, man.
you can talk any nonsense you want. But one thing I'm telling you. If she opens her mouth and tell you that she doesn't like you,
Hey, what is this?
you'll become mad, my dear friend.
Hey, what?
Look, she's coming. Hey, be brave. All the best. Okay,
Hey, don't
come
go.
on.
nicely,
Let
man.
me.
Hi.
Hi.
Why are you here?
Hey, we just came this side because what I should say.
Hey, keep quiet, man.
Yeah, actually, we came here to pick some mustard seeds.
And then where are all the herbs you collected?
Yeah, before that, we thought we'll go for a walk.
I understood. So you aspire to become a famous Ayurvedic doctor like your father, isn't it?
You know my father? You know me also?
I know everybody, okay?
What about name?
That and all I found out.
Hey, not that. What's your name?
Oh, Arati Vasudevan. Dad is
Oh.
Vasudevan, my mother Maithili, and my younger sister Atira.
I think he's going to spoil everything.
Shall I go and talk?
Hey,
keep quiet,
just be
man.
here. Shut your mouth, okay? I have an idea.
Actually, nobody is here. I am walking alone.
What about your friends?
Hey, I am not with them anymore. They are not good people. They always keep drinking alcohol.
Are you
You heard
satisfied?
that fellow? Okay, relax. He was just joking.
You know, I can't tell you. I am feeling very, very happy right now.
Let it be. Shall I leave then?
Huh.
There is a relative staying nearby.
Oh.
We should meet again. Hearing you talk makes me feel very good. And I like your style also. Bye.
Bye.
Hey!
Hey. Hey.
Good. Hey, come here. Give this to him.
Okay.
Can't you ask it very slowly? Please leave immediately.
Come out, man. You're selling drugs, huh? I'll teach you guys a lesson.
Hey, don't you have any brains? I have told you several times to be very careful while handling this. You're not good for anything at all. Sir, I had given a small piece of plant to grow to this boy without my owner's knowledge. Unfortunately, my owner came to know that. I am sure you would have got a call from your superior by now. My owner will definitely take care of you also. You just have to close this case. That's good for both of us, sir.
Hey, dude. Everyone has seen me arresting them. Not only that, I have already written the FIR. The other day I came to arrest you guys. When I called my superior officer, I got to know that there is no point arresting you guys. Then why the hell should I actually struggle?
I'm sure you will have a gain because of that.
Hey dude, your son?
Sir, this boy is good for nothing fellow. He is not my son, sir. He is my wife's child from her first marriage, sir. Since she came to know about this, she is really upset, sir. Sir, you put these fellows behind bars, sir.
Sir, Inspector sir. Without doing any mistake, you bet me in the police station. No, now you're sleeping. Keep one thing in your mind. God is seeing everything. Surely He will not forgive your mistakes. I'm your son, Mom. Open the door.
Hey dear, your son has come now. Surprising they have left you soon.
Don't ever come to this house. You go somewhere and die. Because I spoke to my son like this, you're very happy, right?
If I allow this boy to continue to stay in this house, people will say bad things about me. It's better let him get lost.
What is this? Are you all dreaming?
Oh.
Something is going on.
Hey, it's nothing.
Hey, what happened?
Aha. I don't even have any words to say.
Huh? What is this? You're speechless? Brother, tell me frankly, who is that girl in your heart?
It's not mine.
Okay, you both are out. Now you tell me, among two of you, who is in love now?
Love? I'll kill both of you, let me
Hey.
tell you. You did not go to college today?
I don't feel like going to college today.
Oh, she doesn't go to college on Sundays.
I'll only find it out.
Okay.
Mm. Oh,
Shawl. Shawl.
huh?
It's better if she knows everything. Anyway, she'll know it one day.
Oh, what can I say? When I was in 10th standard, I gave love letter to someone and my father stopped my education.
He has given love letter to his class teacher itself. Whose father will accept this?
He is very smart at this job.
Yeah, that's right.
Brother,
What?
see that?
Arati.
You wicked thief. You wicked thief. She's a very brave young girl. She's come in search of her lover to his house.
Suma? Suma?
Hi, how are you? How come suddenly you're here? How did you find out the house?
When you have a famous father, how is it hard to find out your home?
Come, sit. Mom, Dad, we have a guest at home. Please be seated. Then tell me, what's special?
I'm doing very fine.
So that's the matter. She happens to be your sister's friend? Hmm?
Then something will happen today.
Dad, she's Aarti. I told you, no, my classmate.
Is it so? Please sit down, ma. And what's happening around?
Everything good, uncle.
What's the job your father doing?
He does business. He has a few companies.
Is it so?
Small company? Dad, she's a big shot.
Where are all the others?
You're asking about my brother only, no? He's standing outside with his friends.
All the problem faced in this village is nobody but his brother only. Because of him only.
Oh, that was an insult.
Brother, come here everyone. Somebody has come to see you.
How the hell will I come there? We are already insulted. Why is my father like this?
Hey, you should not speak like this.
Hey, that's not right. I didn't look at his face and tell, na?
Oh, is that so? Hey guys, come. Let's move there.
These four are one gang. He's head of the family also and headache also. Stop all this. Nothing like that, dear. All the naughty things that they do. You know what? He is the reason for all that naughty things.
Hey, they are all my friends.
See? He is the one who is born with me, my brother, Sudhindran.
Dear,
Ah?
please go and some bring tea.
Okay.
So, what's happening? I asked, you didn't tell.
Yeah. Special news is there,
Hmm.
Dad. You go invite yourself, Aarti,
Hmm.
and then invite my brother also.
On the 20th of this month, it's my wedding.
Oh, that's good.
Bridegroom is Dr. Sandeep. You all bless her and wish her a happy life.
Happy. Very good. Be well. The God's blessings are always there for you.
What should we tell now to console him?
Shit. He likes her so much. Always, he keeps saying to me that she will be his wife.
Hmm.
To remove her from his heart so soon. That is not possible for him now.
That is called blind love. If something goes wrong in that love, it will be very difficult. It's not important that we love them. They should also love us. That is important.
Why don't you go and console him?
No, dear. Let him be alone for some time. That is only good. If he cries heart out, he'll feel better. Hey, brother.
Huh?
Did you finish writing?
Yes, sister.
Give me. Huh? Hey, you lose. Narrow is narrow spelling. You have written Narrow. How much ever I teach you, you don't
sorry,
understand.
sister.
Why don't you write correctly? Write properly. Hey, you're crying? What is this, brother? So silly it is. Brother, love should not be just one-sided. It should be mutual, right? Brother, listen to me first. Aarti is getting married to somebody else. She doesn't have feelings for you. This marriage was fixed 4 months before itself. She wanted to surprise you directly. That's why she was hiding that shawl matter. When we sleep, how many dreams we see? But do you think all the dreams will come true? Think this is also same as that. Forget it, bro. Come eat with me. Come, brother.
Yeah, you go, I'll come. Hey, you go,
You
I'll come.
We are only village people. We don't have knowledge, studies.
That is a naked truth. I accept it 100%.
This is actually a time pass for them.
Don't think about her and suffer, man. You just do one thing. Just forget her. How can you forget, man? She has stabbed in his heart and she has gone. Even if he dies, he won't forget her.
When I see all this, I am able to remember one thing. Catch a war, my heart is burning and you move away. How can you move
shut up.
away from me? I'm totally broken. We will find a very good hearted girl for you. Better than this girl, okay? It's a promise, my dear. Just forget that girl. How can he forget that girl when he's in love?
Will you guys stay with me?
Till the death.
You will have to decide now. Nobody will ask you what is right and what is wrong here. We will always be with you. Where is the police jeep going now?
What is it, sir?
Oh no! Dad, don't hit him! Don't hit him! He has not done
Hey,
anything.
shut your mouth. Tell me, where is your son and his friends?
What happened, sir? What is it?
Oh, so you want to know the reason? I will tell you. Your only son and his friends together have kidnapped a girl called Aarti from her marriage place.
Oh God.
Hey, there is no use of calling the Almighty anymore at all. Their life is gone. I know that your son will not be here, but still I'm telling you, within 24 hours if I don't get those boys, I will put your name in the case and file the charge sheet. And you will be beaten inside the police station like a dog.
Guys, come soon.
Hey, wait. Let's go this side. Come fast. Brother, get inside the lorry. Come on, quick.
Climb up fast. Climb up. Come.
Yeah, okay.
Come.
Just help me. Yeah.
Come. He'll start.
Hey, walk slowly. Slowly.
இந்த காத்து வந்தாலே உடனே கரண்ட் போயிடுது. இனி காலையில பார்த்தா போதும். ஏமா, அந்த பின்னாடி கதவு பூட்டிட்டு உள்ள வந்துரு. சரிம்மா.
Who is that? Who are you all?
Auntie, you didn't recognize me? I'm Anwar. I'm in Mandaveli. I'm Safi's son.
Oh, is it you? Who are all this?
Auntie, these are my friends. We are actually stuck in a problem.
We have to stay for some days away from our native place. If you don't have any problem, can we stay here for some days?
Oh, is that the matter? You can stay here as many days you want. House is bit small. Come inside.
Enough, mother.
Eat well. One whole day you were all starving. She is my granddaughter, Hasina. Her mother died 4-5 years back itself. Her dad is in Jabalpur. Every 6 months once he'll come. You all have come here. That's our pleasure. Isn't it, Hasina?
Yeah, we don't have to worry about the wild elephant now.
What? Forest elephant?
Wild elephants will come. but it'll go by itself. Yeah, but do you know where that girl has gone?
Don't
We
know.
don't know.
Huh, I think she loved somebody else. What happened? You didn't eat fully?
Actually, he is going on a diet.
Can you get me that, please? Why, little man? Everything you eat it. Always he'll be eating. He's an eataholic.
Losing a girl whom we love. It's very hard to digest. And getting the blame for that reason. You don't worry, dear. Be brave at heart. We are all with you. Until it's proved that you're innocent, we have to stay away from our place. There is a time for everything. To undergo happiness, to undergo sorrow. Forget everything. Sit down. You know the reason why S.I. Devadas has been removed from this case.
I know, sir. From my side, a proper report will come to you, sir.
Look, we have been getting pressure from our superiors. Somehow we have to find that girl at the earliest, otherwise we'll face into a problem.
No, sir. It won't be late. Since they are villagers, they can't stay in the city for long. Somewhere around, they should be in the village itself. To look after them, I've sent police to all the villages. Maximum, we can catch them within tonight.
But be very careful, the media should not know about this. Their family reputation will get spoiled.
No, sir. Till now, no news has gone out.
This case has become my prestige now. So I am giving you complete freedom now.
Thank you, sir.
Catch the culprits at the earliest. You may go now.
Thank you, sir. Sir,
How long you're going to cry like this? Please come and eat something. Why should I be alive after all this? My daughter. I want my daughter now itself.
What is, dear? Please be calm for some time. Nothing would have happened to her. She'll come back. She'll come quickly.
Sir, Aarti is under those guys' custody. That's what police told us. They've also got a clue about the guy's whereabouts.
you don't have to worry too much, sir. Your daughter will come home safely.
The doctor's family.
I have spoken. Somebody ran away with someone who will marry her. That is the reason they have said no to my daughter.
Oh God, my daughter. What sin I have done? Why this difficulty for us?
Hey man,
Sir?
I want those two people who kidnapped my daughter. I want them definitely. Come with the good news.
Now what should we do, brother?
I'm not getting an idea.
Because of me, you guys are also.
Just shut up. We have done a lot of nonsense in our life too. And for all that now, just think that Almighty is giving us a small punishment.
Is it not too much? Really, where would have she gone?
Just like mother told us she would have gone with someone else.
Hey,
You don't know about women. If somebody shows more affection, they will leave immediately. You were a little late, that's it.
hey, please don't say like that.
Then what should we say, man? You really loved her, right? But she doesn't want you. Even then, we have to go there. With that, everything is over. Whether she is alive or dead, it's not our problem.
Somehow we have to get out from this case. That alone should be our aim.
Oh, no! Please don't eat me! Oh, no! Sir, please!
Hey, Vasu, at least tell the truth now.
What truth are you expecting from me, sir?
Along with Shiva, you have taken 15,000 interest. You have not given the entire money, that's why he has caught you now. That night itself, those 4 people came to that house. That Benny Verghese gave you bail and he has taken you out. Together you went and you took a room in Balaji Lodge. You guys drank nicely and slept.
Yes, sir. That is the actual truth. You are really correct. Sir, how did you know all these things?
Hey, Vasu.
Sir, I will help you by telling one more truth, sir.
Now come to the track.
When they did not pay back the money, they caught me, sir. These guys helped me, sir. After that, we took a room at Balaji Lodge and we drank fully. One of the guy from our friends puked continuously.
This is what you have been telling from beginning.
You are right, sir. How did you know all these?
You bloody fool.
Sir, please don't hit me.
Prabhakar, take him inside and inquire him properly. Then only he'll tell you
Sir,
everything.
I've not
Go,
done
man.
anything wrong,
Take
sir.
him out.
Sir, please leave me, sir. No, don't hit me. Sir, don't hit me, sir. Sir, it's paining. Sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please sit there.
No, don't hit me. Sir, don't hit me, sir. Sir, it's paining. Sir.
So what's the matter? What's the case progress?
Vasu is again and again telling the same thing, sir.
Did you inquire the people from the lodge?
We inquired, sir. This guy told clearly that that lady was not with them, sir.
Then?
But I have some doubt on them, sir. The doctor's son loves that girl, Aarti. With proper planning, they have gone for the marriage. When they say immediately we have started from there, we can't trust them, sir.
Don't concentrate on those guys alone. We'll have to find some other way too.
Okay, sir. Sir.
I brought him up with love and affection, gave him full freedom. Whatever he wanted, we had bought and given it to him. That is the mistake we had done. We had feared, we are here, don't know what is going to happen. Feeling about my son, whom I brought up dearly, his life is like this, feeling very bad. We had brought him up in a good way only, no?
When he was just 7 years old, he left us and went off. That day my difficult time started. It's still continuing. To get them settled in life, I'm struggling so much. How much difficulty I'm going through. Though my husband was drinking a lot, he didn't harm anybody in life. Without seeing me and my kid, he didn't stay away one day also. What mistake did we do? It's all my mistake. I didn't bring him up properly. Sister, I did not mean that, sister. I could not control my emotions. That's why I spoke like that.
Not only for us, the whole people in this village suffered because of all the trouble he gave them all. That curse, everybody is happy now. He's in jail.
Shit. My family would be very upset because they have not seen me. Hey, I think somebody is following us.
Just come. You might have just felt like that.
Smolly. What's your name, man? What's your name?
Kannan.
Okay, good name. Are you alone? Hey, dude. Get up, man. Have food, dear. Come on, have it. This is my boss's catering service godown. And I also stay here. Consider this as your house too. Alright? Hey Mikey, where are you? I'm with Charlie sir here. Charles sir, I've got a kid here. He'll be around 12 years old, but he's a superb guy. It'll be fine if you just give 10,000. I'll call you later. Just adjust a little more. You know how much I struggle to get him. Let us negotiate a little more. What do you say? Come on, Charles, sir. Please. Hello. Hey, dude, where are you going?
I'm going to the toilet, brother.
Hello, Charles, sir. Can I come? Please let us fix it a date. Why? Oh, okay, fine. I'll come with the guy in the morning, okay? Okay? Hey, where has he gone? Hey, buddy. Where are you?
hey! It's my bag! Oh my god! Oh, hey! Hey! Hey, what happened? Come. What is your name?
Kanna. Please forgive me, sister. I am very thirsty. That's why I took your bag. Never I will do this again, sister.
You don't feel bad. I'll get you stomach full of food to eat. Let it be. Where is your house?
My house is at Tambaram.
What? Near Tambaram bus stop? Then we are from same place. Who all are there at home?
Mom, Dad, and me.
But why did you come here?
That.
Did you see my hands? When I was very small, one disaster happened. That day, I didn't even know what to do. I was very blank at that time. So many people came to help me. Like God. I feel more than God. Not just that. From that day till today, self-confidence has saved me. You wanted to rob this bag. You want to see what's there in this?
This book is Mahatma Gandhi's autobiography, no?
Let this book be in your hands from now. That day, when my sir gave me this book, I didn't understand anything. When I completely read this book, everything that Mahatma Gandhi has done for this nation, to take our life in right path, this book has been very useful. From now on, your life also should be in very right path. Now that I don't want to put him in front of spoiled society, that's why I didn't leave him. I made him stay along with me. Now he is studying in 8th standard at St. Joseph's School. Very intelligent fellow. Not only him, even I have experienced all these situations. That day I had so many people to help me. The school I was in, Jayaprakash sir, the convent I grew up in, and then my grandmother. Just because they all took care of me very well, I'm in this position now.
Well, how is your hand now?
Now it's It's all okay. Now I can move my hand a little. Before my life ends, I want to write autobiography in my hand. And I wish I publish and give that to society.
In that case, don't stop your treatment.
Oh yeah. Even now I'm taking Ayurvedic medicine regularly.
One sec. Excuse me. Hello? It was my wife from home. I have come without her. That's why she's angry. And I need a photograph of both of yours. The natural beauty is just not enough, right? Very good. A person who has already overcome obstacles in life and a person who is yet to overcome obstacles in his life. I'm not bidding farewell to you guys. Tomorrow is the 15th of August. The chief guest should reach on time. My hearty congratulations to the award winner. The society will yet wait again to get to know more of your creations that you have to deliver to the society in return.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
Sister, look at this. We bought groundnuts, no, that paper.
Brave police chased rowdies and caught them.
The inspector in this photo only. That day. For me.
Now do you understand? Those who commit mistake will definitely get punishment. God is loving, caring, and He shows right path. There are many people in this world who do not understand all this, but you understand.